In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Face Swap in Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, open Pikzels using our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine and go to your workspace where you already have a thumbnail ready. To use Face Swap, you need a persona set up first. A persona is your saved face model that Pikzels will use to replace faces in thumbnails. Once your persona is ready, go to a thumbnail and click Edit. Now use the selection tool and drag over the face area that you want to replace. After selecting the face, go to the persona section on the bottom and choose your saved persona, for example SB1 or any custom face you created. Then click Generate. Pikzels will process it and replace the face while keeping the lighting and style consistent with the thumbnail. After the face swap is done, you can still refine it. Click Edit again, use the brush tool, and select any area you want to improve. For example, you can add new elements like an airplane, background objects, or text by typing a simple prompt in the edit box. Then click Generate to update the image. And that's it. Now you can realistically face swap and customize thumbnails using Pikzels AI in just a few clicks. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.